Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of our journaling challenge. I hope if any of you have done uh, day 1 meditation, I hope you find something useful and also interesting in doing the guided meditations and write down your answers or what you've seen and experienced during the meditation. And because we're going to use that for day 5, we're going to look back to all the journaling that we do and then find all the trail and the trace and see in the bigger pictures of what we're experiencing and what's our subconscious mind telling us to do. So today, our focus is to think about and remember about your experience in the past. What is in the past experience in your, maybe when you're 5 years old or 10 or 20, whatever it is that happened before in your mind, where you're feeling very inspired, where you experience where you kind of showing up, no matter what challenge you have at that time. So we're going to do this. I know sometimes it's easy to say, okay, or it's difficult because we have so many different experiences in our past. So we're going to do that. And in order to do that, I'm going to help you with the meditation so you can let go your right and wrong, intellectual and logical mind to find out the answer, and just stay in your heart and let the memory of this beautiful moment in your life to bring to surface back and remind you of, because there is purpose, there's clue in there. And before we do that, I just want to share my experience. So I have many experience in my past about when is the time in spite of the challenge, I show up. I think that I was 15 years old and we had a choir competitions, and I was the conductor. And so we went to final, we got into final, and I was so nervous. So there were like 500 people in the room watching us. And I was the person who make sure all the choir members are doing a great job. So I was so nervous, I almost wanted to left the room. Then at that moment, I remember, you know what, I'm not here for myself, I'm here for these choirs members, all my classmates, and I care about them, so I'm gonna stay. And so with that, we walked into the aisles because we were from the back to the front. And there's a stage, or everyone was on the stage. And then before I start conducting, I look at my friends' eyes, I look at them. And then with my look, what I did is I inject confidence, like, yeah, we can make it, we can do this. And then with that, I was conducting the choir with this confidence, with this wanting to be with and for all the choir's members. And then at the end, we won 3rd place. But I remember that moment in my life as when I really showing up. And the reason why I show up, it's there. So that's just an example of my moments in my life that inspire me, that help me to be here or showing up, even though they're difficult situations. That is basically the exercise for today. So I invite you to relax, and you can kind of prepare your books or journal, or if you write down on your laptop, take maybe 10 minutes just to relax, because it's going to help you to write better or to write more flowingly with our meditation. You can now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop my video so you don't have to look at my face or my video, and just to listen to what I said during the guided meditation. So make yourself comfortable on your chair, on your seat. You can move a little bit around your body. Just move your neck, your shoulders, and just find a position that is comfortable for you. And begin with breathing. Just inhale and exhale. And notice your breath coming in and out through your nose. Notice the air that you take into your body. Notice also the air that going out from your body. And notice the movement around your chest, your shoulders, as you're responding to your breath. And as you breathe, you become more relaxed and more relaxed. You find ease and gentleness around your body as you breathe gently. Inhale and exhale. Notice your body. Notice your jaw become more relaxed. Your eyes, lid, relax. All the muscle on your face relax. All the muscles around your neck and your throat relax. Your shoulders drop and relax. Your chest relax. Your arms and your fingers feel relaxed. Your spine feel relaxed. Your hip feels open and relaxed. And notice your legs, your knee, your toes. They become more relaxed too. And just be here now. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just be here, enjoying the relaxation. Now I invite you to go back to your memory of the past and pick one thing that happened in your life that is feeling so empowered, that you are most in your element. So go through the file in your memory, the time where you show up and you feel you are fully yourself in spite of any situation or circumstances. There's no right or wrong. Just there's one thing that is surfacing right now. Just go back to that memory and notice what happened. And also notice what you feel and what you think at that moment. What did you hear? What did you feel? What did you see? And what it felt in your body when it happened. If you see faces, remember what are those faces and what's your reaction and how it made you feel. Just relive the moment. Now, as you remember those, I invite you to stay in your heart space and just feel few words that are arising about your experience. What are those words? And whenever you're ready, bring yourself to your body, back, noticing your breath, noticing where you are at this moment. And when you're ready, please open your eyes. All right, so now it's time to write. If you bring your journaling book, notebook, you start writing. If you want to put timer, either 20 minutes or 25 minutes, just to write what you remember and all the feelings. If you can write it in detail, also the words that at the end of our meditation, write it down on your journal, and that's it. And after the 25 minutes, you're done with the day 2 challenge. And I hope to see you tomorrow on day 3. Bye, everyone.